Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Goldie Boxed. It is our fall Goldie Box, so let's get into it and check it out. Goldie Box is a subscription box. It comes out quarterly with each season. It was started by our friend Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty, and it's amazing because it's a box that's fully curated by you. There are no categories. All of the choices that you get to choose from, you choose regardless of which box you get from all of the choices that we have. No categories, just all the choices you pick depending on what size box you want. There are 3 sized boxes and a surprise box, which gets you surprise items that she picks out for you. There's the bronze box. You choose 3 items from all that are available, plus you get a bonus. The silver box, you choose 5 items from whatever is available, plus you get 2 bonuses. And then the gold box, which is what I have here today, you choose 7 items from everything that's available, and you get all 3 bonuses. You basically, there's a bronze, silver, and a gold bonus, but as you size up, you get the one for the category below you also. So this box has 10 items in it, and this is the gold box. It is $59.99, but they start at $29.99. I will link Everything Proof and Jessica down below in case she is new to you. Oh look, it's fall. That was my paperwork. You can also, because Jessica cares about the trees, you can also choose not to have your paperwork come in your box, and it can be emailed to you. And also for every box sold, a tree is planted. And that's what it looks like on the inside. I see right on top the family item. Each season she also does a family type item, and I always choose that because it gives me something fun for around the house with the girls. So I'm gonna take it since it was right on top. Scarecrow Kids Paint Set from Still Magnolia. That is what it looks like. So it'll be fun to put in my kit for when I have just the littles for them to paint. Let's see what the paperwork says. A family-friendly painting craft. Paint a scarecrow for fall decor or family fun. The kit includes the paint in multiple colors for a customized scarecrow. And just for the record, I have had this for a little bit because you guys know we were doing Fabfitfun spoilers and then all of that. So you had this in plenty of time to do it for Halloween if you wanted to do that. I think it's cute just to put with a pumpkin. I keep pumpkins out through Thanksgiving myself, so it works for me. Okay, next out I have Amina Pumpkin Spiced Whipped Foaming Soap. Now, for me, this is all a surprise. And yet, in no way is it a surprise because I fully curated this box. I went on, I did the customization, I chose the 7 items that I thought were perfect for me. So there is no surprise in any of this. Whipped soap that is great for bathing or shaving and leaves you smelling like a pumpkin spice fall dream, full of natural and organic butters and oils. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells like pumpkin spice. It just, on one hand, you say, do you want your body to smell like that? Yes, I do. That smells lovely. It says it's good for dry skin, psoriasis, eczema, and rosacea. Can you have rosacea on your body? I did not know that. I just took a second and pulled out the bonuses because I didn't want to accidentally show the bonuses. Okay, next out. And I have 2 of these, and I feel like there was something that she offered in 2 colors or 2 scents or 2 flavors. I'm not sure which. And I was like, yeah, I want both of those. And sometimes she does that. Not always, but sometimes if she has something in more than 1 scent, like a candle or something, she allows us to choose both scents, 1 of each, as 2 items. And I think I must have done it with this. So it is Scented by Elle, 8 ml. Oh, car diffusers. Yep, that was it. 1 for each of us. That is exactly what it is. So this one, ooh, I like the way that looks. That is what it looks like. Oh, better probably without my hand on my black shirt. And in theory, I have another one. Let me get it out. Oh, this one's round. Oh, it has flowers in it. This one has, I'm honestly not sure what is floating in that one. I cannot tell. This one, it is easy to tell. It's flowers. This one is Pumpkin Pecan Spice. And this one, what did I say? Maple Pear Swirl. My husband loves maple, so I'll probably put that one in his card. Those are really pretty. I liked the way they sent it. How do we make them work? A fun oil-based car or closet diffuser. Handmade by a young entrepreneur, available in maple swirl or pecan spice. Okay, how to use. Step 1, remove, which one do I want to open first? pumpkin spice. Remove the wooden lid and stopper. Step 2, screw the wooden lid back on. Step 3, carefully tie onto your rear view mirror, tip upside down for 1 to 2 seconds. Okay, we're gonna do it. So I'm taking off the lid. Oh, and then you can see once you get in there, there's a little plastic stopper. I'm gonna use my knife in an attempt to not get this all over my hands because this is the first of many videos I am taping today. Okay, I got it out, so we will screw this back on, and it said to tip upside down for 1 to 2 seconds. I guess it's gonna saturate the wood is the theory. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ooh. It is serious. Can you guys see the top of the wood is wet? So it absolutely only took that 2 seconds. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this is cool. Do I want all my clothes to smell like pumpkin spice? No, probably not, because I have things hanging in my closet I probably won't wear till Christmas time, but that is very cool. I definitely want my car to smell like that. Okay, so easy peasy, and I have 2. Now, I have to not spill it. You know what? I'm gonna set that one right there, and we have this one up here for our visual because I don't know what you know about me, but I will spill that. Next out, I have pumpkin and spice. There is no doubt that this is a fall box. You know, there are other boxes we open that everybody's like, is it fall? Pumpkin and spice. 100% natural soy, net weight 4 ounces, handcrafted in Michigan by Northern Wick. Unscrews. Did I unscrew? Nope. I just hit one. Oh, that smells good. What did I say? Pumpkin and spice. I might have made the rest of my day kind of mapley. That is what it looks like on the inside. Did I show you what it looked like on the outside? So it would look really pretty sitting somewhere. It says 100% soy candle that is handcrafted with no additives, clean burning, and available in sweater weather, or pumpkin and spice. Pumpkin and spice. Next out, I chose a bento box. It is so pretty. There are questions that could be asked. Do you need another bento box? I don't have a pretty one, so I'm gonna go with yes. That is what the top looks like. It is by Danica Jubilee, or it might be, Jubilee might be the design. Here, let's see what this says. This says it is by Danica. It is a playful, cozy cottage bento box made from melamine and eco-friendly bamboo. So it's just an open one. That's kind of nice. A lot of times they're sectioned and the sections are too small. This would be easy to put a sandwich and some chips in, or fruit, a salad, whatever you wanted. The lid secures really nicely. I mean, it's not silicone or anything, but when you put it on, it is, you can tell, very secure. Plus, you have your little elastic. Without the elastic on it, it would look really pretty, like just sitting on a table with goodies in it. You could take, I mean, that's a sticker. You could take your stickers off and just, because it's got a matte look to it. I think it's very pretty. And last out, yes, before the bonuses, I chose the scarf. This says Maquia de Rougine, a blanket scarf that can easily go from large, oversized scarf to small throw blanket in a beautiful navy and fall plaid. Okay, well, let's take it out. Ooh, so soft. Very, very soft. I love those gorgeous fall colors, the kind of mustard and rust and navy. You know what? I am not going to open this fully because you can see how pretty it is. It is so soft, so soft. But per the usual, I'm pretty warm. So I'm not gonna wrap this around me, but it is gorgeous. And I will absolutely, you know what? This is so soft. I might put it down in my car because I am that person that leaves the house and thinks, oh, so warm. It's no problem. I don't need anything. And then I get out there and it's just not quite that warm. And I love that this is going to be big enough because that was the width to kind of cover my whole arms with. So I think I might put this in my car. Plus, it would look gorgeous for fall in my car. So those are the 7 choices that I made from the customization choices that she gave us for my box. If you were, say, the Bronze Bear, where you choose 3 of all of the customization choices, you could have chosen anything that I chose here. You can choose the 3 most expensive items. It's all up to you. There are no categories. You choose within all of the choices the 3 that speak to you. Plus, if you are a bronze bear, this season the bonus was the Luxe Glow, has a $25 value, a facial dry brush to improve skincare, accelerates the rejuvenation process for fresh and radiant skin, provides a light massage while it works to speed up cellular turnover and remove impurities. An easy tool for all skin types. It comes in this cute little bag. You can see that it says that it is Luxe Glow on it. And inside we have this cool looking, it's a slanted back brush. I feel like I could do that on my face. I mean, it's a brush, but it doesn't feel too aggressive. Gently stroke the brush upward from the décolletage in small circular motions. Avoid the delicate eye area while using the brush. Well, I will for sure give that a try. I love the way that looks. I wonder how you set it in the shower. Like that. I wondered if it would sit on that angle, and it absolutely does. Plus, if you're traveling, you can just slip it into your little bag. So whether you are a bronze, silver, or gold bear, you will have that bonus because that is the bronze bear bonus. Now, if you are a silver bear, you also add the Macchia de Rugine luxury chenille socks that will keep your feet and toes as cozy as possible for fall weather relaxing days around the house. One size fits most. Colors vary. It looks like mine is a gray. Oh, it feels different than I thought it was going to feel. It's like the chenille. You guys, can you see it's shiny? It has that shiny blanket. It feels different than I thought it was going to. It's super soft. I mean, it's just really, really soft. They are hand wash cold, do not bleach, do not tumble dry. That's going to be hard to remember, but I'll do it. I'll get the job done. So if you are a silver bear or a gold bear, you have that. And if you are a gold bear, we have one more bonus, and it is the Adams & Company, a wooden spoon set of 4 decorated with pumpkins. Can be used as kitchen decor and hung with jute string that ties them together. All right, well, let's see what they have. Oh, they're measuring spoons, and they have pumpkins on them. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That is the teaspoon. We have I'm going to guess a tablespoon. Yes, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, a half, and a quarter teaspoon. Of course, I'm covering up the pumpkins. Hang tight. That's what the backs of them look like. That's really pretty. Super cute. Okay, that is our Goldieboxed for fall, and this said fall. Keep in mind, that is one of the choices that I made. I have 2 of them, but one of them was a choice. I just chose it twice. I hope that's not as confusing out loud as it sounds in my head. Okay, my choices were that really pretty scarf, the bento box, the kids paint set as the family product, the pumpkin spice candle, the Amina pumpkin spice. This smells so good. I mean, it all smells good, but the Amina pumpkin spice body wash, the 2 car or closet or wherever you want to hang them smell goodies. And then for the bonuses, if you're a bronze bear, you have the facial brush. You get that if you're silver or gold too. The silver bonus is silver. They're probably not gray. They're probably silver. How perfect is that? These adorable socks. You get those if you're a gold member also. And then as a gold member, you also add the wooden spoon set. And that is my Goldieboxed. It is missing that 1 car refreshener that's back behind us. What a fun fall box. I will put the link down below along with my code, Catherine10, that will get you 10% off your first box. If you have any other questions, let me know down below and I will answer those for you, or I will check with Jessica and see what the answer is. And also I will link Jessica down below so you can go over and check out her channel because she always does the spoilers. So if you sign up for it, you can see the spoilers before you decide if you want the next box. It's just that easy. It's just seasonal. It's not an annual membership, and you can choose to receive or not receive, to upgrade or downgrade. Like if you're a gold box, but next season there's only 3 things that you're really mad about, you can just be a bronze box next season. She makes it very easy. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Take care, guys.